Hi guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send PDF file in Messenger app. So all my documents are stored here in Google Docs. If you don't have this mobile application, you have to download it. And for demonstration, I want to send this document. So you have to select this document and you have to click on three dots. And after that, you have to click on send a copy. Okay. And after that, you have to select the PDF document and it will take some time to prepare it. And here you will see all the options and all the apps where you can send directly. So if you have installed Messenger app into your mobile phone, it will show here somewhere the Messenger icon, and you have to click on that and you can send it directly to whoever you want to send. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video really helpful, and it's too easy to send PDF over the Messenger app. And see you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye bye.